Hello everyone. In this channel, I'm gonna teaching you on how to learn the basic Filipino English translation. For today, I'm gonna sharing you the two parts of a sentence or dalawang bahagi ng pangusap and the five examples of pangungusap or sentence in Filipino, and these five sentences will be translated into English. By the way, when we say pangungusap, that is sentence in English. When we say simono, that is subject in English. When we say panagori, that is predicate in English. And so, I'm gonna introducing you now the two main parts of a sentence. So there are two main parts of a sentence in English. We have the subject and the predicate. In Filipino, sentence is called pangungusap. So may dalawang bahagi ang isang pangungusap. Ito ay tinatawag na simuno at panaguri. Hindi natin masasabi na ang pangungusap ay pangungusap kapag walang kompletong panaguri o di kaya ay walang kompletong simuno. Tulad sa halimbawang ito, ako ay si Pedro. So ang simuno natin is ako, or our subject here in English is I. Ako means I in English. So the translation of ako is I in English. Okay, I am Pedro. That is in English. In Filipino, ako ay si Pedro. Number 2. Ako ay nakatira sa Cebu City. In English, I live in Cebu City. So our subject here is I, and our complete predicate here is live in Cebu City. So in Filipino, ang simuno natin ay ako, at ang kumpleto nating panaguri or predicate is I nakatira sa Cebu City. Number 3. Katlong pangungusap. Ako ay nag-aaral sa mababang paaralan ng Cebu. In English, I study in Cebu Elementary School. Pang-apat or number 4. Gusto ko maging isang doktor. In English, I want to become a doctor. So I is our subject and our complete predicate is want to become a doctor. Number 5, the last sentence or panghuling pangungusap. Ako ay may tatlong kapatid na lalaki. In English, I have 3 brothers. So our subject or simono is ako, at ang kumpleto nating panaguri or complete predicate is I may tatlong kapatid na lalaki. So hope you guys learning a little from this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. There are more videos coming up. Bye bye for now.